We choose these Cascade Pods as they are a convenient, non-messy option for our dishwasher, as well as they are rated B of low concern on the Environmental Working Group's Guide to Healthy Cleaning. I know there are other pods that have higher ratings, but this brand is affordable and consistently available on Amazon Canada. Don't at me about Nelly's. It's currently in my Amazon cart. There'll be a review for it soon. I find that these Cascade Pods work really well. We rarely have any residue left on our dishes, and it's usually due, if there is any, it's usually due to us not rinsing properly before loading. Just a heads up though, I take no chances and often run my dishwasher with hot water on the scour setting. On occasion, the pod doesn't actually dissolve and get stuck in the dispenser, but I don't know if this is due to the pod itself or due to our dishwasher. These are likely going to be a staple for us for a long time. I would definitely recommend.